Hello?
Hi.
Yeah, hi. Now they will come in.
Okay.
This is Oksana. It's a better like if you see her, if you show your face so you can recognize each other.
I met her last time. I gave her the keys for West Georgia.
Oh, okay, okay.
And
Just to discuss the timing. Just a second.
I have received a lot of applications yesterday
Yeah.
for all the properties, Brentwood, um, even for Shaughnessy.
I
Uh,
wonder it would be faster, better to proceed first to the West 6 one because Brandon kind of.
West 6th, I sent a lead yesterday and Tamud showed them the place they were interested. The
They didn't
application,
apply yet.
no, I sent them the application. Tamo said that because the application what we got is for just 3 months. Tamo said that it's better if we get someone for 1 year.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I am waiting for their application form. I will just follow up now if they are planning to send it today.
Mm-hmm.
But I want to finalize Brentwood because the June 1st is the moving date.
Uh-huh.
So Shirley said, okay, we can proceed forward. So I will plan to close that today. I will write the agreement today.
Оксана, мы сейчас на зуме хотели Руаном с тобой поговорить, во сколько... Елена сказала, до скольки? Во сколько ты с ним встречаешься? В 6? И где?
Нет, она не сказала, она с кем-то разговаривает, мы сейчас с ней не общаемся.
Ну я так думаю, где-то в 6 for sure, it's okay.
Вы говорите там чисто, ну в смысле я...
Can you talk English? Because Aaron is on the line. Yeah.
Okay.
Aaron?
Yes.
Yeah. So how clean is there? What do you need to clean there?
Cabinets and the floor, the bathroom. I will just send you the list which was just mentioned by the tenant. So all
Ага.
the cabinets from inside. Um,
Он тебе пришлет лист. Там именно такие моменты ей не понравились, что не дан, да, закончить.
Yeah, I just wanted to say if it takes just 1 or 2 hours, it's fine. But if it's something complicated, it's quite late to go. I also work in the morning.
No,
Everything.
I think 2 hours you will be fine. Yeah,
yes, 2 hours will be fine. Inside drawers, all surfaces, bathroom, toilet, the door handles.
It's basically clean. It just need to be like tidying up.
Yeah, it won't take much time. It's a small unit.
Там она убрана, но она такая пики ей то. Немножко там надо.
I will just send you on WhatsApp, Oksana. It just mentions the inside drawer, bathroom, and toilet, so you can just have a look at that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
you know where you're meeting and when, right? 6 p.m. or when? Where?
She said after 5 p.m. I
Uh-huh.
can meet her at Burkitlam station. I have class until 5:30. I can meet her after that and give her the keys.
Okay, so 6 p.m., right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Ты тогда в 6 с ним встретишься, там он тебе ключи даст, да?
Okay. Sorry, did you say on SkyTrain station?
Burkitlam SkyTrain station. I can meet you there.
Okay, well, we met last time, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Окей, супер, хорошо.
So, Natalia, I move forward with the Brentwood unit, right? You said that there were issues with the owner's verification.
Yeah, I mean, actually, she sent it her documents like ownership and IDs. She is
Okay.
not resident, so she have a.
Yeah, she's not.
I think it doesn't matter if we're not managing, but she wants to manage. So maybe discuss with Shirley what you need from her.
Shirley said that the tenant will directly send the rent to the landlord. That's what she said. She said that I discussed this with Natalia.
No,
That
she was talking about management. The management take 1 month for year together with lease up and then upfront, right? And then we manage for her. But for that, we need to take first month and deposit, right?
yes.
And after she can do that, yes. So I would need her agent in Canada for taxes. But anyways, let's go step by step. Just tell her first month and deposit we always collect and send her difference, and second month she collect herself, like that, okay?
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, I will let her know this. And the authority to lease for Deborah is also expired. So
Yeah, I send you. Just send her to renew. She seems to be not in a, it's not even authority for timing, but when you look in a, amount for rent, it is a authority for rent amount, right?
yeah, we have already made so many changes. I don't know if we should use this document again.
Yeah, you can just type a new one with,
Okay.
what we need, right?
And commission will be half the month's rent, right? Because it's a 1 year lease.
Yeah, as you see, original one when we signed with her, it was even 7% a year, which is not 1 month. It's like 75% of month. So it was even more than half months. So maybe try that. Yeah.
Okay. 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 All right. I will do that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.